Good day, class. Now we have this question to solve by completing the square method. Anyway, we have already solved it by factorization method and quadratic formula. So now this is the third one I want to solve it by completing the square method. So let us pay attention together. Let's go. Solution. The question says 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 equals to 0. That's the question. And when you want to solve by completing the square method, the first thing to consider is coefficient of x squared. So now we are going to remove it. How are we going to remove it? We now say divide both sides by 2. 2 is the coefficient of x squared. It will now give us 2x squared over 2 plus 15x over 2 plus 7 over 2 equals to 0 over 2. Now 2 cancel 2, we have x squared plus 15 over 2x plus 7 over 2 equals to 0. 0 over 2 equals to 0. So that's the first step. Now the second step now that we are going to do is we are going to take our constants to the other side. So we now say take constant to the right hand side. It will now give us x squared plus 15 over 2x equals to, we have plus here, it will turn to minus, 0 minus 7 over 2. Are we together now? Having done that, the next thing that we are going to do now is we have 15 over 2 as coefficient of x. So the third step now is to find the half of coefficient of x. We now say find half of coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 15 over 2. To now find half of it, we just multiply it by 1 over 2 equals to 15 times 1, 15. 2 times 2, 4. So that's the half of coefficient of x. So once we now have it like this, the next thing we are now going to do is we will now square the what? The half. So which means it will now be 15 over 4 raised to power 2. That's the square now. So after this square, the next thing we are now going to do is this square now, we will now add it to both sides. We now say add it to both sides. So I know this is where we stop now. It will now give us x squared plus 15 over 2x plus 15 over 4 squared equals to, 0 minus 7 will give you minus 7 over 2 plus 15 over 4 raised to power 2. Are we together? So having done that, we will now consider something in the left hand side. So now when you look at it, we have 15 over 2, 15 over 4. So they have something in common. You will now say factorize left hand side. So when we factorize left hand side now, this one now we take it out. It will now give us x squared plus 15 over 4 squared equals to, now we have minus 7 over 2 plus 15 squared means 15 times 15, which is 225. Then 4 square also means 4 times 4, which is 16. Are we together now? So having done that, the next thing we are going to do now is we we have square here, we have square, so we can group them together. It will now give us x plus 15 over 4 all square. So the two now we have given them square equals to, so in this case now we are now going to find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 16? 16. So how many times 2 can go into 16? 8. 8 times minus 7 minus 56 plus 16 to 16 1. 1 times 225 225. Are we together? So now it will now equals to minus 56 plus 225. It will give us 169 over 16. Are we together? That's what this one will give us. As we now have it, we have raised to power 2 here, which is square. We now want to cancel that square. So when you want to cancel the square, you now say take square root of both sides. So it will now give us something like this: square root of x plus 15 over 4 raised to power 2 equals to plus or minus square root of 169 over 16. So now square root we cancel square. We are left with x plus 15 over 4 equals to plus or minus. Now square root of 169 equals to 13, and square root of 16 equals to what? 4. Having done that now, we will now move 15 over 4 to the right hand side. So it will now give us x equals to, this one is positive, it will turn to minus 15 over 4 plus or minus 13 over 4. Are we together now? So when you now look at it, we will now find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 15 minus 15 plus or minus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 13, 13. So we now have x to be equals to, now plus or minus, so we now split it into 2 now. Minus 15 plus 13 over 4, or minus 15 minus 13 over 4. So which means x equals to, now minus 15 plus 13. Now to those of you that you don't really like mathematics, when you have negative, you can compare it with real life situation. That is, minus 15 is what you are owing somebody, plus 13 is what you have. So now if you pay 13 naira out of 15 naira that you are owing somebody, what do you have left? So you now have minus 2 over 4. Or you are owing somebody 15 naira, you are owing another person 13 naira. How much are you owing altogether? Minus 28 over 4. Now x equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have minus 1 over 2, or 4 here 1, 4 here 7, minus 7. So therefore, x equals to minus 1 over 2, comma, minus 7. So that's our answer. So when you look at it now, we have solved it with factorization. We arrive at this answer. With completing with almighty formula, which is quadratic formula, we arrive at the same answer. And now this is the third one by completing the square method, and we also arrive at the same answer. So this one is to tell all our WAEC candidates that in the exam condition, if you are giving quadratic equation, you must make sure you know the 3 methods, so that anyone they ask you to use in the exam, you will be able to do it and get your correct answer. So that is that. So kindly help us, like it, share it and download it. And please help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our subscription there is free. Just click subscribe. Bye.